How to turn on or turn off save to external storage in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, we tap on the control button. Then tap on settings. In camera settings, scroll down and tap on Save to External Storage. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Tap on the left hand side panel. In here you can turn on Saved. This will allow you to save videos in fragmented MP4 format. And after that, tap on the back key. Here you can see if I save a short video, the video will now be saved to, so if I open up my files storage, it will be saved to my USB storage file in DSIM camera. And there it is. So that's short video. So that's how you can save your camera straight directly to an external storage like SD card or USB drive. Thank you for watching.